David, here's your 383 small block Chevrolet. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the Holley manifold, the EFI system, fuel management, Holley, Terminator X. Great system. It's got the beautiful Billet Specialties front end on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got our center bar heads on it. I think this is a car project, so I'll be going out to the car shop. Go in there and show you how. Alrighty, 3,500, 423 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 448. Peak horsepower 449. So we rated it at 425. Obviously the AFI system kind of helps that power number out. Everything's great. We'll get her out to the car shop. Have a great day.